So we'll be talking about Metamask. Metamask is actually something like Trust Wallet, but I actually do prefer Trust Wallet to Metamask. Why? Because Metamask is more complex. You understand? It's more complex. Well, while as we go through this video, you see what I mean by being complex, and but why we actually use Metamask is because it is preferred outside, like abroad. They actually prefer this more than Trust Wallet. Maybe it's because it's more secure or something. So I don't know, but you can use anyone, but it's good that you know how to use the two, so that when push comes to shove, you actually know what you're doing in both of them. Okay, this is my Metamask, and if you open Metamask, these are all tokens I added. It's just the same thing. To add token in Metamask is the same as when you want to add in Trust Wallet. You just have to come to import token, click on import and input the contract address here, and then make sure you go to custom. If you come to custom here, then input the token contract address, and the other ones will just show automatically. You understand? So that's just how to use this one too. But the difference now is that Metamask is not like Trust Wallet, in the sense that Metamask has a blockchain differently. It does not have it together. Let me compare to Trust Wallet. You see Trust Wallet right now, Trust Wallet has Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Tezos, Zcash. It has it in one wallet, like it has it in one compartment. You can actually see how easy it is when you look at it, but it's not the same for Metamask. Metamask now, if you want, this is Ethereum network. This is where the networks appear. It is up here. This is Ethereum network. So if you want to add like how you are seeing Ethereum here, you understand, and you are seeing BNB here, it's not the same with Metamask. If you want to add BNB to Metamask, you will have to impute it. This is, you can click here on your wallet to see the available. These are all the chains that I've added. If you see what I mean now, this is my Ethereum network, this is my smart chain. It will remove it entirely. This is another compartment in the same wallet. If you get what I'm saying, right here you will not see Ethereum at the top. You are seeing smart chain. If I want to change to Polygon, you will see my Polygon right here. I'll click on it, it will come out entirely. But this don't get me wrong, this does not come with the Metamask. When you open your Metamask newly, what you'll be seeing is the Ethereum mainnet network. It will be like this. These ones will not even be here. All these ones I added will not be here. So I'm going to show you how to import. That's import if you want BNB, if you want Polygon to be on your Metamask, BNB and all those stuff. I'm going to show you how to import it. So all you have to do now is go to your Chrome, any browser that I use to search. So just type how to set up BSC on Metamask. If it's BSC you want to. If it's Polygon, you type how to set up Polygon on Metamask. If it's Avalanche, you type how to set up Avalanche in Metamask. So I'm going to be using BSC for us. So you are going to click on anyone. Once it shows you, you just click on it. I just hope my network will be fast enough. Okay, so while this thing is loading now to show me something that I need, let me just, I think here is better. Okay, so you just open any compartment and look for it. So you can see it, you can see this. Okay, you can see this. So the main thing I'm looking for in this is this. Look at it. This is the network details. This is how to add BSC automatically in your Metamask. Okay, how do you impute, how do you use this information now? This is what I want to show you guys. So you come back to your Metamask here. Okay, I already have this, so I will not be doing it. Like, I will not actually be doing it. I will just be showing you how you can do it. So if you don't, or if you try it and you cannot do it, then you chat me up, I will show you again. Okay, so you click on this right here. I clicked on this three button right here, and you come all the way to settings. Are you seeing setting? Then you click on network, then you click on when you click on network, you can click on add network, and I've already added the smart chain. Look at it. So this is what will show you. And if you come back here, you will see network name, smart chain, new RC URL. You copy this, everything is as it is here. So after you have imputed this, you click on save. That is how to use your Metamask. But if you don't want to come to this three button and stress yourself, you can actually click on top of here and click on add network, and you go to custom network. This is how it appears. The network name, you put it, the URL, the chain ID, the symbol, and the block explorer. So that is how to use Metamask. So guys, I hope that you understand what I did in this video. But if you don't think you are dull, or don't think that it's too hard, just chat me up. I will put you through. I will call you online and I will show you how to do it, guys. So while we wait for other people to consent, you just make sure that you already know this. So I want you all to be add Polygon network to your Metamask and show me, please.